Hey guys, the Ekraft Geeks are back with our new video. So today we are gonna learn about what are AC motors and what are DC motors. So let's begin with the course. So basically a motor is nothing but a machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It is an element of electromechanical energy conversion. The motors are classified into two types, AC motor and DC motor. In very simple way, the motor which are operated on AC source are called as AC motors and the motors which are operated on DC source are called as DC motors. Types of AC motor: synchronous motor and induction motor, and types of DC motor: shunt motor, series motor and compound motor. So here we go with the first type of AC motor, that is synchronous motor. The working of the synchronous motor mainly depends on the three-phase supply. The stator in the electric motor generates the field current which rotates in a stable speed based on the AC frequency, as well as the rotor depends on the similar speed of the stator current. There is no air gap among the speed of the stator current and rotor. When the rotation accuracy level is high, then these motors are applicable in automation, robotics, etc. Induction motor is the second type of AC motor. The electric motor which runs asynchronous speed is known as induction motor, and an alternative name of this motor is asynchronous motor. Induction motor mainly uses electromagnetic induction for changing the energy from electric to mechanical. Based on the rotor construction, these motors are classified into two types, namely squirrel cage and phase wound. Now we head on to the first type of DC motor, that is shunt motor. In shunt motor, the field coil is in parallel with the armature coil. Field is very thin, so the number of turns of the coil increases. It has a medium starting torque, and the torque of the motor is directly proportional to the armature current. The second type of the DC motor is the series motor. In series motor, the field coil is in series with armature winding. Field winding is of thick copper wires, so now the number of turns is less and they have a high starting torque. So series motors are used where high torque is required, such as streetcars, cranes and electric railway operations. And the last type of DC motor is compound motors. The compound motor have both series and shunt wind, which means that compound motors have the advantage of high starting torque and also efficient speed regulation. So I hope you guys like the video, so please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.